हरे कृष्णा। देवशयनी एकादशी, पद्मा एकादशी, अषधि एकादशी, हरिशयनी एकादशी. Ashadha Shukla Paksh Ekadashi is known as Devshayani Ekadashi. Lord Vishnu goes to sleep on this day and wake up after 4 months on Prabodhini Ekadashi. Devshayani Ekadashi comes just after famous Jagannath Rath Yatra and currently falls in month of June or July on English calendar. Chaturya Mas, a holy period of 4 months in Hindu calendar, starts from this day. According to ancient scriptures, Harishayani Ekadashi is the day when Lord Hari or Vishnu retires to Kshir Sagar, ocean of milk, rests there till 4 months and came back to Vaikunth Vas on Shukla Paksh Ekadashi in Kartik month. The Shukla Paksh Ekadashi of Kartik month is called as Prabodhini Ekadashi. The period from Harishayani Ekadashi to Prabodhini Ekadashi is called as Chaturya Mas, 4 months, as Lord Vishnu, the preserver of life, rests in Kshir Sagar. So no pious and auspicious activities like marriage etc. are carried out in Chaturya Mas. The sages and seers don't travel. In fact, they pray to Lord Vishnu while staying at one place only. Because of the torrential rain in most parts of India, it is but logical to refrain from travelling during these 4 months. Significance of Devshayani Ekadashi. This holy day is of special significance to Vaishnavas, followers of Hindu preserver god Vishnu. On this day, images of Vishnu and Lakshmi are worshipped. The entire night is spent singing prayers and devotees keep fast and take vows on this day to be observed during the entire Chaturya Mas, the holy 4 months period of rainy season. This may include giving up a food item or fasting on every Ekadashi day. It is believed that Vishnu falls asleep in Kshir Sagar, cosmic ocean of milk, on Sheshnag, the cosmic serpent. Thus the day is also called Devshayani Ekadashi. It is considered highly auspicious to observe fast on Harishayani Ekadashi. This vrat is said to bring prosperity and resolve all your problems. Devotees pray to Lord Vishnu and avoid consuming cereals, grains, onions, certain spices and all type of non-vegetarian food. This day enable you to please Lord Vishnu and seek his divine blessings. Like other Ekadashi, this day also help you to attain salvation and freedom from the worldly greed. It is believed that observing a fast on this day fulfill all your wishes. It provides energy to face every challenge of life, give freedom from the sins committed in past, enhance the physiological function of the body, help to strengthen one's self-control and improve your emotional stability. Devshayani Ekadashi is popularly known as Devashayani Ekadashi, Shayana Ekadashi, Pada Ekadashi, Vishnu Shayana Ekadashi, Harivasra Ekadashi, Maha Ekadashi, Ashadha Devshayani Ekadashi and Padma Ekadashi in different parts of India. Harishayani Ekadashi legend. Brahmvat Puran states the importance of Harishayani Devshayani Ekadashi Vrat. Sage Narad once asked Lord Brahma about the importance of Harishayani Ekadashi. Lord Brahma told him the story. In Satyug, there was a great and noble king named Madanta in Surya Vamsha who ruled a highly prosperous kingdom. He was immensely truthful and was engaged with numerous auspicious deeds. Nonetheless, the prosperity was highly affected as the kingdom received no rain for over 3 years. Eventually, no farming activities could take place and hence numerous people and animals died, while others were severely affected. Unrest developed within citizens. Though the king performed several vrat, pujas, homes, but to no avail. Thus, he set out on a journey and met many holy men with whom he discussed his problem, but none of them could come with a solution. Unable to bear the problem, he went to consult a great sage Angira. Sage Angira told him that in Satyug, a little sin can also have huge effect. He told him further that in his kingdom some unworthy person was doing prayers. Sage asked king that if he would kill that man, then his kingdom would have the relief. But the king said that he did not want to kill an innocent person. The king asked Sage to tell him about an alternative. Sage Angira said that the only alternative is that he and his people should fast on Harishayani Ekadashi, falling during the Shukla Paksh of the Ashan month. Hearing this, the king returned to his kingdom and followed the sage's advice. Not only he but his praja also fasted on this day. Due to this, the kingdom received plenty of rains, thereby ending the 3 years of serfdom. Thus, the Lord Gallery and merit of the kingdom was regained and the kingdom became prosperous. Hare Krishna.